Living room ideas for small spaces can transcend mere functionality and become a reflection of personal style and subtle themes. This room exemplifies the art of creating a space that invites you into a world of masculine sophistication. Through the carefully chosen colors, straight edges and lines, and sophisticated ceiling lighting, the room captures the essence of a dapper gentleman, welcoming guests for a coffee. The ability to evoke a vivid mental image of the room's owner is a testament to the power of personalized design. So, if you seek a small living room that embraces your unique style and evokes a sense of refined elegance, take inspiration from this remarkable space that effortlessly combines personalization and subtle themes. Mixing and matching pillows is an excellent way to introduce pops of color and personality to small living room decor. By carefully selecting colors that complement the space, embracing the concept of less is more, and choosing square or rectangular pillows that align with the sofa's proportions, you can achieve a stylish and harmonious look. Remember, the goal is to enhance the space without overwhelming it. So, let your creativity flow as you select new pillows that add charm, comfort, and a touch of personal style to your small living room. Decorating a small living room in an eclectic style requires a delicate balance of elements, colors, textures, and patterns. This room serves as a testament to the notion that eclectic design can be achieved without succumbing to clutter and chaos. By curating with purpose, embracing a variety of colors and textures, and striking a harmonious color scheme, you can create an eclectic space that is bright, spacious, and visually delightful. Remember to pay attention to detail and composition, as these elements bring the design together, resulting in a small living room that truly showcases your unique style and artistic flair. In the world of small living room design, the color blue holds remarkable potential to captivate and transform a space. In this room, blue becomes the star, instantly capturing attention and setting the tone for a memorable experience. Whether it's creating an illusion of height, evoking a sense of calm, or pairing it with earthy tones for a charming combination, blue brings a unique charm and allure to the design. So, if you seek a small living room that leaves a lasting impression and exudes a sense of tranquility, draw inspiration from this captivating space where blue reigns supreme and becomes the defining element of its charm. In the realm of small living room decor, embracing eccentricity can lead to extraordinary results. Caitlin Wilson's stunning design serves as an inspiration for those who seek a departure from traditional styles and crave a space that reflects their unique personality. By reimagining nautical motifs with an artistic touch and incorporating unexpected elements like wood flooring reminiscent of a ship's deck, this small living room becomes an oasis of eclectic elegance. So dare to sail into uncharted design territories, and let your small living room become a haven of creativity and self-expression. In the realm of small living room design, the concept of smart splurges and frugality offers an exciting avenue for creating incredible spaces. By investing in one high-quality focal point that will be frequently used and built to last, designers can elevate the room's overall aesthetic and functionality. This strategic splurge is balanced by frugality in other areas, ensuring that every dollar spent contributes meaningfully to the space. By finding the perfect equilibrium between durability, elegance, and personalization, small living rooms can become showcases of smart design choices. So, embrace the art of splurging wisely and frugality with purpose, and watch as your small living room transforms into a remarkable space that reflects your unique style and sensibilities. In the realm of small living room decor, the masterful use of color and texture can elevate a space to new heights. The exemplary room showcased in this article demonstrates the enchanting effect of elegant pastel colors and plush textures, creating a truly remarkable ambience. From the inviting comfort of the sofa and carpet to the discreet transparency of the coffee table, every element in this room has been meticulously curated to provide both visual appeal and a haven of relaxation. So, immerse yourself in the world of soft pastels and experience the serenity and sophistication that small living room decor can offer. In the world of small living room decor, capturing the essence of the season can create a truly enchanting space. This autumn-inspired room celebrates the beauty of fall with its dark brown and neutral palette, hints of blue, and textures inspired by nature. By drawing inspiration from the changing landscape, designers can infuse their creations with a touch of seasonal magic. So, as the leaves turn and the air grows cooler, let your small living room become a cozy sanctuary that embraces the spirit of autumn and provides a haven of comfort and warmth. Embracing shades of brown in small living room decor offers a refreshing alternative to vibrant color schemes. By delicately incorporating a range of brown hues, along with subtle touches of natural greens and soft golden lighting, a space of understated elegance is achieved. The careful balance of these elements provides visual interest and a warm, inviting ambience, without overpowering the room's overall tranquility. So, if you seek a refined aesthetic that exudes subtlety and sophistication, consider incorporating shades of brown to create an oasis of serenity in your small living room. In the realm of small living room designs, the inclusion of a sofa bed not only addresses the practical need for accommodating guests, but also presents an opportunity to enhance the overall aesthetic. The modern and stylish appeal of the sofa bed, combined with carefully selected lighting, textures, and colors, creates a harmonious composition that exudes elegance and functionality. So, the next time you find yourself in a small living space without a guest bedroom, consider the transformative power of a sofa bed. It's the perfect fusion of style and versatility, providing a cozy retreat for both relaxation and a good night's sleep.